Hi, I'm Anbu Sylvester. I'm working with Williams Lee Tag. I'm working as an advertising production trainee. Before this, I'm actually a mechanical engineer by qualification, and I was working as a design engineer for 1.5 years. But then I wanted to do something creative, to come on the creative side. So then that's when I decided I have to change my career. So that's when I came across my sister-in-law who told me about Image. So that's when I did know about graphic designing, but then she convinced me about getting into graphic designing, and that's when she told me about Image. I when the first time I entered Image, they actually guided me in the right path. They told me what was my interest, how I need to go into that path, and from that I basically did a level 1 course in which I studied Photoshop, Illustrator, and InDesign, and then photography. After which, by the time I was finishing my course, I got a call from Williams Lee Tag. They asked me to go attend the interview. The interview was 2 rounds. Basically, the first one was technical round. The second one was HR round. I was quite sure about it that I would be getting it, but then still, I did have to wait for 2 or 3 weeks. Then I got a call saying that I got the job. At TAG, basically what we do is we are the regional press department where they make basically a media production company, TAG. And what we do is we make ads for UK newspapers and tabloids. So basically the customer gives in their resources, which we use to, in our creative own manner, to make it into an ad. So as in with 1 week of experience in Williams Lee Tag, it's quite good, to be honest with you, because the seniors at our place are so they get casual with us. They guide us in the right path. They tell us what we need to do and what we not need to do. They are always open to silly questions, and they will tell you like this is how it needs to be done. And even though they give us the time that we need, they expect perfection, and we do give that because of the comfortableness that they let us have around them. Given that I'm coming from a different field, my education being mechanical engineering and my job experience being a design engineer, now I'm in the media field, and if I have to thank someone for that, it's definitely got to be Image.